Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So the question today is, why are you doing what you're doing? Most of us want to be successful. We want to be better versions of ourselves. We want to grow, progress, be successful in the way that we see fit. But it's important to realize why you're doing what you're doing. You may have an idea of what you want your perfect life to look like, of what success looks like to you, whether that's having a family, big house with kids, whether that's attaining loads of money and being wealthy, whether that's being at your best emotionally and physically, whatever that looks like to you, whatever you're striving to be, you have to really think about why you're doing what you're doing towards it. Yes, it's fine to have a plan, but you have to constantly reassess your plan. And it's not always enough to just want to be successful. It's not always enough to want to lose weight. It's not always enough to want to change career paths, to want to change jobs. You have to actually put in place, put in action, put in the steps that will lead you towards achieving your why, your what you want, achieving your goals, achieving your dreams, leaving your job, getting more income, generating loads of streams of income, whatever that looks like to you. You have to put steps in place and make sure that you're dedicating everything you can to achieve this. There's no point in wanting, I say this time and time again, there's no point in wanting things for yourself, wanting to be wealthy, wanting to be happy, wanting to be mentally stable, wanting to be emotionally and physically appealing, but you have to actually put the step towards it. You have to work towards it. You have to have a lengthy plan. I'm not saying step by step, because sometimes you don't want to spend too much time planning, but have an actual guideline on how you're going to get there and what you need to do by today, tomorrow. Basically having a monthly goal, a yearly goal, a 5-year plan, a 10-year plan, whatever it may be. Put that in place so you can have ways to follow. Things on your plan might not always work out, but you know the direction that you're trying to head to. You know why you're doing what you're doing. Sometimes people just do things. People just work. Some people will tell you that I want to be successful, yet they just seem to be working all their lives. They seem to be working in a 9-to-5. If you're the type of person that's striving to be wealthy, you can't get that from just doing a 9-to-5. You have to do more than that. So you have to really think about why you're doing what you're doing, and make sure that everything that you do points towards you getting what you want. There's no point of saying I want to be very wealthy, but you're in a 9-to-5, you're overspending, your credit score isn't great, in overdraft. You have to make sure that all the baby steps leads towards you getting what you want. Maybe instead of overspending, start saving. Maybe instead of spending too much time buying materialistic things, why not invest in books, invest in figuring out how you can get more than one stream of income, how you can move from being in a 9-to-5 into a place where you have several streams of income to make you wealthy. To make sure that all the steps that you do, whatever you do, points towards that direction of getting what you want. So you can't just want things and do nothing about it, because you'll be here 5 years time, 10 years time, still wanting the same thing and it not working. So you have to get up, think about why you do what you do, where you are you working towards getting what you want, or are you just wishful thinking? And you have to make sure that you're putting in the sacrifices, and that means having to do more than other people are willing to do. That means having to put yourself out there. That means having to sacrifice going out for lunches, for dinners, whatever it may be. That means having to go to therapy if you're trying to make sure that you're in a good place mentally. That means maybe having to spend on gym membership instead of coffee every day if you're trying to be in the best shape or form, or even investing in a personal trainer. You have to think, what am I doing towards getting the goal that I want? Why am I doing what I'm doing? Right? And make sure that it leads and points towards what you're trying to get, and make sure that in the process you're choosing yourself. You're choosing to see that vision that you want come to life. You're choosing to become the best version of yourself, and that means analyzing why you're doing what you're doing and how you're getting there. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.